In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and activate mods on your hosting or server for a smoother gaming experience. So, let's dive right in and walk you through this process step by step. First things first, to get started, you'll need to log into your hosting or server via SSH. Now, if you're not yet familiar with SSH, it stands for Secure Shell, and it's a cryptographic network protocol that allows you to access the server remotely, providing a secure way to manage your files and software over the internet. To do this, you'll need an SSH client like Putty if you're on Windows or Terminal if you're using Mac OS or Linux. Don't worry, once you get the hang of it, the process becomes quite straightforward. Once you're logged in, the next step will be uploading your mod files to the appropriate folder, which in this case will generally be the mods folder. You'll want to make sure that you have your mod files ready to go beforehand. It's always a good idea to double check that you're uploading compatible mods for your specific server version to avoid any potential issues or crashes. If you're using FTP to upload these files, remember to ensure that your FTP client is set to binary mode to maintain the integrity of the mod files during the transfer. Next, head over to your Hostinger panel where you'll find the option to restart your server. Restarting is crucial because it enables the server to recognize any changes you've made, including the new mods you've uploaded. Be sure you save any open work or inform any other users connected to the server about this restart to prevent unexpected data loss or disruption. Once your server has rebooted, it's time to verify that the mods are indeed active and working. You'll usually know they're active if you can see them in-game or if your server's control panel indicates that they're loaded. Checking the log files can also be another way to ensure everything's operating correctly. It's best to test them out in a controlled setting first to confirm they're functioning as expected without causing any conflicts. Remember that the success of these steps often lies in attention to details and understanding the specific requirements of your server and mods. If you run into issues, forums and community support can be invaluable resources for troubleshooting. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on installing and activating mods on your hosting your server. We hope this guide makes the process easy and clear, helping you enhance your gameplay to enjoy the full potential of your server. Happy gaming, and see you next time.